Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see who unfollowed you on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the matter is, how can you see if someone unfollowed you on Snapchat? For that, to see if someone unfollowed you on Snapchat, check if they are still on your friend list and if you can view their Snapchat scope. You just have to go to your message option. And if you can see, go to an account you follow or they follow you. If you can already see their Snapchat score and their profile, they may haven't unfollowed you yet. If you can't see them in your friend list and their score, they may have unfollowed you or changed their privacy settings. So that's how you'll know if they unfollowed you on Snapchat or not. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video.